uses their beak to deliver their venom onto their prey as they're penetrating their shell, and that's how they actually end up being able to overcome and subdue their food.
The lethal neurotoxin can paralyze prey within seconds. As with so many chemicals cooked up by the animal kingdom, scientists and engineers are researching whether the blue-ringed octopus's venom could be used strategically.
When you're looking at their toxins and their ability to delay these motor coordinations and affect the nervous system, you can study how you can use that for some treatments for pain.
Other medicinal uses could be in the treatment of allergies and cancer. Like the Komodo dragon's blood, the neurotoxins of cephalopods remain an untapped resource in drug discovery. There's another creature scientists look to for answers about compounds. Like the blue-ringed octopus, it too uses its body as a chemistry lab, but in a much flashier way. Under a clear exoskeleton, the firefly triggers chemical reactions to create light. The light shows can be used to repel predators and attract mates, and they can also be weaponized to shocking effect.
What fireflies do is they create this beautiful aesthetic experience for us, and we forget about the context of that behavior from the creature's point of view itself. They are in the fight of their lives to attract mates and defend territories.
Fireflies are beetles, nocturnal members of the Lampyridae family that comprise more than 2,000 species and normally feed on nectar and pollen. Meanwhile, a vast number of predators try to feed on them, including spiders, toads, frogs, bats, birds, mammals, and lizards.
Firefly species have this defensive steroid molecule called lucifagin that can be quite unappealing to a lot of predators like bats, lizards, some birds, and can make them gag.
In conjunction with producing the toxic-tasting steroid, it is thought that the firefly's ability to light up, called bioluminescence, began as a means of warning away predators.
Similar to how skunks would alert their predators that, hey, I have this putrid odor that I will spray onto you, the fireflies advertise to the predators, I'm distasteful, I do not taste good at all.
It's called aposematic or warning coloration. So, many snakes that are very toxic are often red and black or yellow and black. It's telling you, don't come anywhere near me, you may regret it.
We are familiar with seeing fireflies glow as they fly, but it is something they can do even as larvae.
So you're a larva running around and some bird wants to eat you, and you take this position where all of a sudden your rear end comes up a bit like scorpion-like, and at the same time it glows. Quite impressive. Probably deters something initially enough for it to give it a split second to maybe scamper away.
How exactly does the firefly make its warning light?
Bioluminescence is really quite cool. I mean, it's surprisingly